So I'll give you an example that it is not. Early in Haze app, we figured out that like if you put a button inside like other mobile games that said check-in, you would get a lot of distribution for the Haze app mobile app, which is what it was at the time. It was a social network. So we had like a ton of users. It scaled to like 10 million installs. And we thought that was product market fit. We were like, wow, we're getting all these users, but like no one stuck around. So we were like super excited about it. We were like, we found product market fit. We were like, really like drumming the drums of success or whatever. Distribution by itself is not product market fit. It's like one thing I would say. It is not, at least from my personal experience.
What I learned it's not is just people wanting it. So when I first started Akita, we had built something that people, they'd be like, wow, that's so amazing. We had this demo that we were building this thing that fuzzed your APIs, told you where all the data went. I would do a call with them. They would love the demo. They'd bring like everybody that they knew from their company to the demo. They would get all these people involved because they're like, this is the coolest thing we've ever seen. And then when it actually came down to installing it, months and months dragged by and it wasn't getting installed, in part because it was a complex install, which, I could have made that excuse for many months more, but I was just like, if they really wanted to make this happen, they would. My team was like, but so many people are coming to this meeting and look at their titles and all this stuff. And I realized that that's not enough.
Sam Altman is famous for saying, you may think you have it when users spontaneously tell other people to use your product, meaning you didn't have to ask your users to be viral. They're being viral by themselves. I will say that is good, but it is not sufficient. I think Mark Andreessen's done a really good job of characterizing this. You know it when you have it. Customers are buying as fast as you can add servers. You're hiring sales and support as fast as you can. Cash is piling up in your checking account. Reporters are constantly wanting to speak to you. Investors keep wanting to invest. But the problem with that definition is it's a post hoc thing.